Good morning everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you the GlamEgo box for the month of February in 2019. This is the box that I've chosen. So there are 4 products that come with this box. So the most important and the one most highlighted for this month is this lipstick by Starstruck. This is the Starstruck lipstick. Okay, this is branded, this is by Sunny Leone, and so this is, I would say, the highlight for this month's GlamEgo box. The packaging is really good, it looks very nice, and the cost for this lipstick is rupees 7.99 as it says on the box. So I think just this one lipstick makes the GlamEgo box for this month, it makes it worth, right? Because the maximum you're paying is rupees 3.99. So I have chosen this color called Cherry Bomb, and this is this color. Okay, and I think it looks lovely, it looks very good. So this is the Starstruck lipstick. The next product I would like to show you is another lipstick. This is from Bella Voste, and I have chosen the Satin Touch lipstick, and this is the color. Unfortunately, the colors I've chosen are really very similar, so I did not think that a Cherry Bomb would look the same as a Satin Touch, but they look very similar. I hope on application they look slightly different, but again, very lovely color, both of them. The next product is this water product. I have chosen this sleeping mask. It's said to rejuvenate the skin, hydrating and rejuvenating the skin. So I've chosen this product. The other product, the other products which the box offered was for the BioBloom face oil and another water product which I already had. So this is the product I've chosen. I've never used this before, so I am actually excited to use this. The very last product is this soap. This soap can be used on the face, on the chest, as well as on the back. So as the name, as the brand name itself suggests, this is meant for acne. So I think I might not use it on the face, but definitely on the back region, maybe mostly because of the sweat or because of the clothing, there are some small maybe acne or pimples or whatever you want to call them. So I'm going to try it on the back and see if this actually helps. So this contains really good things like white rice, licorice, and kaolin. It is antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and it prevents the breakout itself. So about this product, I am going to use and then decide. I'm going to first start using it on the back and then maybe see if I can get forward to using it on the face as well. So that's all for this month's GlamEgo box. So it offered 4 products. One was the lipstick Starstruck by Sunny Leone. One was the Bella Voste lipstick. One was a product which you could get to choose. I have chosen the water mask, and the last product is the Acne's soap. That's it for this month's GlamEgo box, and see you next time. Like the video, comment, share comments, and subscribe to my channel. Bye. One more thing I'd like to mention is something that comes with the box again. On this little pamphlet, you will see that it shows you a chance to win the entire shades of the Starstruck lipstick. This is done just by uploading a picture with the box and then tagging GlamEgo and also Sunny Leone. If you tag this, we stand a chance to win the entire shades, all the shades of the Starstruck lipstick. Yeah, win the complete shades of Starstruck lipstick just by tagging on social media. Okay, so I think that's a nice offer.